In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix this site cannot reach error in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To fix this site can't be reach error, there are lots of methods available, but I'm not sure which method is work for you. So you need to follow all of these steps carefully. Let's start the first method. First, click on your Windows key and search for Control Panel. Once you come to the Control Panel page, then click on Network and Internet, and then Network and Sharing Center. Then you need to tap on your Wi-Fi name or Ethernet connection, and then Properties. After you come to the Wi-Fi or Ethernet properties, you need to scroll down and find Internet Protocol version 6 and uncheck mark on it. Now click on OK and try to open the website using Google Chrome and check the problem is gone or not. If it's not, then again click on your Windows key and search for Settings. After coming to Settings page, you click on the Network and Internet and then tap on Proxy. If you're using any proxy, then turn it off and check the problem you still have or not. If it's not, then again click on your Windows key and search for Settings. Then click on Network and Internet and then Advanced Network Settings. Then you'll find the option called Network Reset and click on Reset Now button. And restart your computer and try to open the website using Google Chrome browser. I hope this problem will be fixed. By following all of this method carefully, you can easily fix this site's can't be reached error in Google Chrome.